Yeah, I know. There's the shelf cloud, leading edge, outflow boundary from the bow echo, drawing closer. You can see incredible wind shear. Look at that. Look at the striations from the remnant shelf.
Oh, wow. That's awesome.
Holy smokes.
Take a picture and you'll be able to.
Incredible wind shear right near the bow echo.
I can't see in that picture
Actually,
because I can't touch the button, but if I just hit it, I will.
Actually ripping apart significant part of the shelf cloud. Very, very, very intense wind shear. We have good inflow winds from behind us.
Still inflow.
Still inflow. Wow!
Whoa. That was right above us.
And it's very ominous.
Rain a little bit, but that's okay. Not very intense yet. Lightning is right above us. Did you get a picture of this up here too?
Yeah. And yeah, it's really moving in right now. Oh yeah, it is. Winds have now turned.
This is a pretty weak gust run.
Well, it really picks up right initially. Winds have now turned. Winds are now coming from the bow echo.
Northeast. You can see it moving.
Yeah.
The apex of the shelf over here.
Yeah, it's pushing in. Wow, it's big.
Yeah. I can't get any pictures trying to see umbrella.
It's big. Holy smokes, it's just unreal. Very, very low, very large. Moving fairly quickly. Woo. I love it. Yeah. Wow, that's dark.